ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 Do you remember the sandhi? What one new sandhi which we added before?
Yes, Guru.
Upasarga ending with akara when followed by
Dhatu for
eng letter. A or O. Then purva parayoga sthane a plus A or a plus O. Generally, vriddhi will happen. Tambaditva pararupa sandhi. Right?
Yes, Guru.
Pararupa sandhi. Have you studied Kaivalya Upanishad? Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga. Then
Avaihi.
huh?
Avaihi. Right?
Avehi or Avehi. In some books given Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga Avehi iti. In some books it is given Avehi. But we can justify both as correct. Avehi also we can justify. Avehi also we can justify. But what is, if you remember Kaivalya, I mean, if you have studied Kaivalya Upanishad, this will what I say become meaningful. Anyway, that is will come as next other sandhi, not here. What is okay? If you take by this rule Avehi, then what is the other word? Ava plus
Would be
huh?
Ihi. Ihi or whatever.
Ihi, oh, not whatever. Whatever
Yeah.
means
E or E, that's what I meant.
no.
Ehi.
Ehi. Ehi is indatoho. The he is lot lakara madhyama purusha ekavach. Please note. Lot lakara. Remember we used to chant the pratyas. We don't have time to do it every class. That's why we are not doing. We see lot lakara. What is the pratyaya? Madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Tu tamantu. But what we say? It is actually he. But here what you see the pratyaya is only for adantanga. Adantanga meaning
1, 4, 6, 10.
1, 4, 6, 10 dhatus. Because those dhatus only we see in the beginning, and later the ganas are introduced. So the pratyaya actually it is Madhyama Purusha is E. That is why Pahi, Janihi, Pahivam, Degimam, Rupam Degi, Yashoje, Degi. Right? Devahatmyam. Rupam Degi, Yashodegi, Yashodegi, Dishojegi. Right? That he actually it is E. But for Adantanga, what will happen? The he lopaha bhavat. Ataha ato he. He ato he lopaha ato he. I think one sutram is there. By that lopaha. That is why it is not seen. Whereas jani he jnadatu, which is ninth gana, not adantaka, jani he. So he will be there. Similarly, for the second conjugation, dhatu is in dhatu. Dhatu is in gatau. Okay. What will be the lot form? E plus he. You know what you get?
Ihi.
Okay, let me do from the very beginning. E plus tip pratyaya. What is Ganavikarna? Second conjugation. Shapa only, shapa alone. But what will happen to shap is shap will become look. Look means lopaha only. Look means don't think something else. Look is equal to lopaha, disappearance. Another name. When pratyaya becomes lopaha, we use look, shlu, like that word we use. Look, shlu, lopaha, iti. Means pratyaya comes and pratyaya vanishes, disappears. But once pratyaya goes away, it will not cause angakarya. It is not there, right? Only when it is there, it can cause E can become A. So therefore, what will happen? E plus tip is sarvadhatuka pratyaya.
So A plus T it will become Gunaka.
That's why Eti. Eti, yes. Eti, that's a form. But what about E plus He?
Asarvadhatuka.
No, why Asarvadhatuka? E is also Sarvadhatuka Lotlakara only. The same thing will happen. E plus Shap plus E only. Shap become Luk. E plus E. And here, Madhyama Purusha Lotlakara Ekavachanam is considered to be Apit, not Pit.
Okay.
Lotlakara, this some you need to note. Later we will see. In fact, we have seen this two tamantu, sorry, the two and ani ava. These four are sarvadhatuka. The rest, the four are sarvadhatuka pit. The rest are sarvadhatuka pit. Pit apit, you can know. For Lotlakara, Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam and Uttam Purusha, all the Vachanams, they are pit. What about the rest? Apit. Madhyam Purusha, then it will be apit. Even though it is sit, pit, it will be deemed to be apit alone. Therefore, no angakarya. Understand? Anyway, this is all say information. We are not interested in all this. Just note this. What I'm saying is, the point is here, he is pratyaya, sadhatuka pratyaya, but not pit. Therefore, angakarya will not happen. Therefore, he will have only ihi. So, what you said is correct. But here we have yehi. How ihi will become yehi? That is the question. What is ihi? What is in? In means to go, right? Eti means goes. Gacchati ityartaha. Ihi means you go. Then ihi when will become yehi? When you add the upasarga, a plus e, gunasandhi. Gacchati, agacchati, comes back. Yehi. Right? That is the meaning.
Okay.
Okay. Agacchati, say right? Gacchati goes. Agacchati. Avegi. So that is a yehi here. Now, this yehi is equal to a plus ihi.
Mm.
We have a special sutram for in dhatu itself in terms for sandhi. Okay. Special sutram is that. So that will apply. Applying that, then A plus E will become by sutra avehi. This rule will not apply. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yogat Avaihi. That is correct actually, grammatically. Not by this rule. This rule we'll learn later, not now. Just I'm telling. This word is famous. The Upanishad is seen. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yogat Avaihi. But Avaihi is then what? Then how to say? See. Dhatu beginning with ing letter we clearly say. Okay, this is not this is dhatu only, but upasarga is and moreover form of the indhatu. So therefore the other sutra will apply. Then if we say avehi, you can take it as avehi as chandasam, Vedic usage. So both we can accept. In some books avehi is given, some books avehi is given. In Kailash Ashrama books and all avehi. Shraddha Bhakti Jnana Yoga avehi. So we can take that to be a chandasa. Understand? Vedic usage. Whether can use it.
Guruji, this ava plus ehi, this is the pararupa sandhi that you taught us, no?
Ava plus
Ehi. Like you told us that avarna of upasarga followed by dhatu beginning with ing.
That's what I said. That is a special sutram for in.
Okay.
For indhatu, we have got special sutra. Eti, edati, utsu. That we will see little later. It is not in this document. The next document, updated version, it is there.
So engi pararupam won't apply here, is it? Some other sutra.
Oh, you are talking about engi pararupam is that will not apply because that is this general one. This is very specific apavada. Okay. There is one another rule is that we will see later. We will see, not now. Don't worry about that. So that we get pararupa sandhi. In fact, example is given like this: upa plus eti. Upa plus eti. What will happen?
Upaiti.
Upaiti. No, it will not. It will be upaiti. Sorry, upaiti. Shamita. It will be upaiti. Vriddhi will happen, not pararupa sandhi, because eti is a form of indhatu. So whenever we have form of the indhatu, then what happens? We have vriddhi happening. Understand? We will see that little later. Just came to my mind first. So Avehi is grammatically proper. Avehi, we can take it as Chandasam. That way we, in fact, when we studied, it was explained to us like that. I remember this. In our class, this discussion was there. Anyway, so this is, you can note. Engi Pararupa. This is Pararupa Sandhi. There are so many Achandis are there. We have not yet seen so many Pararupa. This is just only one which I introduced. Okay, fine. Let it be there. Others will come slowly. Everything, it's too much, become too much. We'll see that later. Now, Repanusvara Sandhi. Have you seen this?
No, Guruji. No.
Okay. Yeah, this class I have not taught. Okay. Let us learn this. We must have summary of Sandhi rules 3, right? Document 3.
Yes.
Do you have it? I mean, I'm just asking 3 or 4, what do you have?
3.
3 is we have completed. Okay. 4 is
3
updated.
we have.
So why it is summary 1, 2, 3, 4? Because every time some new rules are included. So that becomes a part of our, already whatever we know, that becomes a part of it. That's right. So we know the list of rules to be applied, right? Kuttum,
Yes.
chat. Similarly, this also will get added. All cannot be taught in one shot, not possible. And you will not understand also. So now Repa Anuswara Sandhi. This is a name given, I give like that. Okay. Repa Anuswara Sandhi. Or Repa Anunasika Sandhi, whatever. Repa Anuswara or Repa Anunasika, whatever we name, that we can go. Repa Anunasika. Repa Anunasika Sandhi. There is no any name to it. Padanta Nakara. We know Padanta Sakara becomes
Repa.
Ru and then become
Ru.
Repa, right?
Ru.
But Padanta Nakara also will become. Padanta Nakara, when followed by, please see, Chau. What is Chau? Chatatau.
Chatatau. Chatata.
Then Chatatau Kapai. Chatatau only. Chatatau. Kapa Chat. Sorry, from that we have to take Kapa Chatata Chatatau. Okay. Kapa Mahaprana, right? Kapa Cha. Cha is third letter in that. So Kapa Cha. Chatata Chatatau. These letters are covered in the Pratyahara, Chau, right? So Padanta Nakara followed by Chau means Chau must be, the Chau letter must be what? Must be
First
the
letter of the Padam.
beginning of the following Padam, right? Obviously. Now, which in turn followed by, that is followed by what is starting from?
Vowels to fifth class of fifth letter.
Nyamanganana, Nyamangananam, right? All the fifth letters. So up to that. Followed by Chau, followed by then what will happen? And this Padanta Nakara will become room. Room will become room. No is nothing but Repa. When Padanta Nakara is replaced by Repa, then immediately the preceding letter is there, right? The preceding the letter, that is the vowel. Vowel will get either Anunasika Adesha or Anuswara Agama. Anuswara Adesha is not correct. So we'll change it. Anunasika Adesha or Anuswara Agama. Why I say Agama? Because Agama is attached. Anunasika Agama or Anunasika Adesha it will get. In Gita and all many places you will see this. We'll take some example from the Gita also. See now here you take Yasmin Cha. This is a Padam, Padantanakara. Followed by Chakara, which is a Chau letter. Chakara followed by A, which is letter. Then this Padantanakara will be replaced by what letter? Room. Right? Room is nothing but Repa. It's followed by Cha. And after that, Room is nothing but Repa. Repa, the preceding letter is Akara. That Akara, the vowel, will get either Anuswara Agama and Repa will be there, or optionally it will get Anunasika Adesha. Two forms possible. You understand? See the steps. Padantanakara getting Rutva Adesha. This is another Rutvam. Then the preceding condition is followed by Chau, Chau followed by Yam. then the preceding vowel will get Anuswara, Agama, or Anunasika, Adesha. Now, repa is, what will happen? Repa will become Visarga. So, Visarga is very difficult to type here. I'll put it like this. Lansha. Repa will become Visarga, column. Then, Visarga will be replaced by what letter? Followed by Kar letter. Therefore, we know Visarga, when followed by Kar letter, it will be replaced by Sakara. So, Sakara will in turn replaced by
Shakara.
Here it is. Be replaced by Shakara. Therefore, you love yes means cha or yes means cha. Right? Two forms. In Gita, the first chapter itself, you will see many places occurs. Just an example I'm showing. Kim Asmin Samudhyami. Yeah, you see, Acharyan, Matalan, Bhratr, Putran, Potran. What is that here? Next one is Sakims. Sakims Tata. Sakim is Sakin, Nakara. Right? Followed by Tata, Takara, which is a Chav, Chatatav. Right? Followed by Takara plus Akara. Then Padantanakara, Sakin Shabda. Sakina, that is Saki Shabda, Sakin. Right? Sakin Pulinga. That means Saka. Shabda is Saki, Pulinga Shabda. Sakin, like Adi Shabda. Shabda Manjari is given. Sakin, Bhagavachana. Now Nakara is replaced by Ru is replaced by Repa. When Ru is replaced by Repa, the preceding vowel E will get either Anunasika Adesha or Anuswara Agama. Because the Keens Tata, to be able to split. See this, understand?
Yes.
Saki Shabda. Saki Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bhagavachan, Sakin. Similarly, that spot, many places it is there. Check that. Nakara, Padanta Nakara. Here also it is. Where is that? You find out. Kaman, right? Kaman plus 2. Atvartha Kamans 2. You see? So if you have Anuswara followed by Sakara, right? This is a Sandhi. Anuswara followed by Sakara. Anywhere you see. In Vedic chanting and all, you will have Chandrabindu, Anunasika.
Mm.
Similarly, here also it is there. Where?
Gata suna gata asu.
Gata asu, asum, agata asun. Asu is a shabda, like Guru shabda. Gurun, asun. So gata asun, agata asun, plus cha, asum cha, we say, right? Similarly, here also, where is that? Agama payino nityaha tan titikshasva bharata. You have to split like that. Tan, sakataute, tam tau, tan, tan plus titikshasva. You follow all of you? Understand? Yes?
Yes.
Tan titikshasva, tan. You take this as your homework, find it from the Gita. There are many words like this. Here also.
Avachyavadam.
Avachya vadan. Vada. Vada is speech, talks. Vadaka vado vadaha. Vadam vado vadan. Avachya vadan means that which cannot be uttered. Unbearable should not be uttered. Avachya vadan plus cha. Avachya vadan cha. Right? You see how many examples, so many examples in the two chapters of that. Like that, if you probe, you will get many. So you have like yasmin plus cha, kasmin plus cha, kasmin's cha. So in Saptami Vibhakti, wherever we have like that, asmin plus cha, asmin's cha, you will have like that. Raman plus cha, Raman's cha, Gurun plus cha, Gurun's cha, Harim's cha. So in, if you see the Shabda, Pullinga Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam, you have Nakara, like Raman, Harin, Gurun, Pitrun, right? What else we have? Nakara, Dvitiya. Or in Pratama also. Pratama, we don't have Nakara anywhere. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, you will have the Bhagavachanam, Padam, ending with Nakara. Followed by this Chow, followed by we have this implication here also. What is that? Vihaya kaman yes sarvan puman charati nispragah puman. Puman is another example, good example. Just now I said it is what I said is dismissed by this. Puman is Pratama Vibhakti. Puman is Puman, Pumso, Pumsaha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam itself is Puman. Interesting. Okay. In fact, it is there. Why not? Shreya Shabda, Shreyan. Shreyan is Shreyan, Shreyam, so Shreyam Saha. Nakara is there. So we have in Sakaranta Shabda, we have Shabdas ending with Pratama Vibhakti ending with Nakara. Example, Pums Shabda, Puman, Shreyas Shabda, Shreyan. So therefore, when followed by Chav and followed by this Sandhi will happen. Repanuswara, Repanasika Sandhi. Understand?
Yes, good.
So Sakaranta Shabda, Shreyas Shabda and all. You have not seen, but anyway, you can know. Then this Sandhi we know. Kara, kar letter, visarga will become, repa will become visarga. And when followed by kar letter, then repa will, that visarga will be replaced by sakara, except kha, pa, kha, pa, pa. We know what will happen.
Yes. What is the visarga?
And sharparekar, we have seen.
Yes.
Sharparekar, visarjasya, visarjaniyasya sthane, visargaha adeshaha bhavati. Right? Visarga will be replaced by visarga. Then what about karpareshar? Then visarga will become lopaha optionally, therefore. Here are three forms. I have written three forms in the other file, but here lopaha or vrikshasthavaraha, one more form. Vrikshaha stavaraha, either visarga will become lopaha optionally.
Yes.
That's lopaha, or visarga can be replaced by sakara. So therefore we will have vrikshasthavaraha. Three forms. Right? This is not by this sutra, so this is also possible. So three forms. Vrikshaha tavaraha, visarga will, why visarga is here? That is by this previous one. When followed by shar, visarga can be optionally replaced by sakara. Because of that, visarga is there, the first one. Second one, visarga lopa by this rule. Third one, visarga is replaced by sakara. Then therefore, we have this, right?
Yes.
Then all these things we have seen already. And this also we know. Then any other new sandhi is there, we'll see. And this also, okay, Esha Hasar, I taught you.
Yes.
Sulopa will happen. Okay. Then this also we discussed. Now here, Jashwa Sandhi 1. We know what Jashwa Sandhi is. Padanta Jal replaced by corresponding Jash letter. Anuswara Sandhi is Padanta Makara will become Anuswara, right? We have seen, right?
No, Guruji.
Anuswara Sandhi.
We have not seen this one, Anuswara 1. We have seen the, I think.
Okay. Fine. You can note. Now, Makara, Padanta, what Makara? Padanta Makara. Okay. So, Padanta Makara will become Anuswara. When does it become Anuswara? When followed by consonant. Al. Al Pade.
Yeah.
So, that's why Palam plus Palati, you can see when followed by consonant, this will become Anuswara. When followed by vowel, that will remain as it is. Either you can do Melanam. Suppose Palam agachati or something like that. Palam agachati, and understand. Just Melanam. Or you can keep as it is. But when followed by a consonant, the Padanta Makara will become Anuswara. So this is about Anuswara. Anuswara undergoing change. Right? Okay. Now in the list of rules, where it should come.
Before just on 2.
Yeah, but I know the sutram is, so in sutra wise I just place it. 8.3.23. Dattam, Shattam, 8.3.23. 23 means it is Sarga Sakara Adesha. 8.3, all these are 8. Yeah, Sarjani Yesha 8.34. Here I just place it. Visarga Adesha is 8.3.15. And Visarjani Yesha Saha, here it will be. Here will come the sequence Anuswara Sandhi. You may think why in between the Visarga Sakara Adesha. Otherwise, Anuswara you can keep it separate. You don't have to insert here. Maybe within bracket I will put. Because here we have a sequence. Visarga will come, Visarga will replace by Sakara, and Sakara, optionally, then Sakara, Sharparekar, Karpareshar, etc. will happen. So Anuswara Sandhi within bracket Right. Anuswara Sandhi number 1 and number 2. It has no connection here, but it is in this order to be applied. Now, Padantamakara undergoing change. Okay, then. What about suppose this is Padantamakara? There's another rule is there, Anuswara Sandhi number 2 also, which I think we have not seen. There, Padanta Nakara or Apadanta Nakara, Apadanta Makara. That also will become Anuswara. When Apadanta Makara or Apadanta Nakara, see Apadanta Nakara. If it is Padanta Nakara, then it will become a room when followed by Chow followed by Just now we saw. This is Apadanta Nakara and Apadanta Makara will become Anuswara when followed by Jal. Jal. Like what? No, Payan plus C. Payan is not a Padam. What is the C is C actually. It is E. Payam C. This is a pratyaya. This is Pratama Vibhakti or Dvitiya Vibhakti pratyaya. I can take a 1 to pratyaya. The whole thing will become a Padam. This is Payas Shabda, Sakaranta Shabda, Payaha, Payasi, Payamsi. Okay. So C is, you may ask, where is the C pratyaya? No, it is C is, actually it was just, it has become C. How does it become? Don't worry, we are not interested. Actually, it has become E and Sakara is here, Payas. Then you get all those things. Okay. Or I will make like this, Payans plus, this is just is 1, or not 1, 2, sorry, 1, 3. Just Arshas, whatever it is. Payans is a Pratipadikam. Actually, Payas will become Payans. How does it become? We are not interested. Just for Sandhi only we are interested. Then it becomes Payans. I'll give another example. But here, whatever it is there, we will see. Just will be replaced by E. It's a rule. Now, what will happen? We get Payansi. This is a Padam. Payansi is a Padam. In fact, we can take this and then do also. Other things are all, again, extra information, which is, we may not appreciate now because we need to study Sakaranta declensions, derivations. Now, here you can see Nakara. What Nakara? Apadanta Nakara, followed by Sakara. So, therefore, that will become Anuswara. So, therefore, you get Payamsi. You follow? So, Payamsi. Now, this Anuswara, will it become Parasavarna? Parasavarna Sandhi we have seen, right? Will it become Parasavarna? Yes or no? Not Mahita. Anuswara, will it not be replaced by Parasavarna? No. Why? Parasavarna Sandhi, that we have seen. Please see the list.
In the following year.
Parasavarna Sandhi. Exactly. Yai letter. Yai excludes all the sibilants. Yai letter. Sakara is a sibilant. Excludes. Therefore, Parasavarna cannot happen. And also,
There is no Savarna.
Exactly. Ushmavarna doesn't have Savarna letters. Therefore, it will not replace. Simple. Then another simple example. Nam plus Yati. Future tense. We know Namati, right? Similarly, future tense. Nam plus Yati. Then we have Nam Padanta Makara. There's a Padanta Makara example. That will become Nam. Nam Syati means he will salute. Now this Apadanta, this Anuswara, will it become Parasavarna? No. Followed by Sakara, which is not a Yai, it will not become Nam Syati. Nam Syati, Nam Syataha, Nam Syanti. Nam Syataha, Nam Syasi, Nam Syataha, Nam Syata, Nam Syami, Nam Syavaha, Nam Syavaha. We can do like that. Understand?
Mm.
Similarly, kapi. Kapi is, dhatu is idit dhatu. Okay, I don't know whether I taught you idit about idit.
Mm.
Dhatu is kap. Kap is kampate, to agitate, to shiver, to shake. But if you see the dhatu pata, upadeshika dhatu. What is upadeshika?
Original in the Dhatu Pata.
Dhatu pata. Dhatu pata, you will have kapi.
Mm.
But what is it? E,
The letter.
ithlet. Content is only cup. Content is only cup. So those dhatus which are idit dhatus, I
Mm.
can call this dhatu by the name
Okay.
idit,
Mm.
because ikara is
The letter.
it, in which, this is Bahuri Samasa. It, yasya saha. That in which, yes means saha. Not yasya saha. Ikara is it, for which dhatu. That dhatu is idit dhatu.
Mm.
It means that ikara alone. That's the meaning. Ikara is it letter. Don't think it means not two times I'm repeating. Okay.
Mm.
Ikara is it in which. And when you do sandhi, what will happen? Justum happen. Takara plus idit dhatu.
Mm.
Okay, dhatu which is idit. So if E as it letter is there, then dhatu is idit. If U as it letter,
Udit.
Udit.
simple. Right? If
Mm.
uk letter as idit,
Mm.
uk.
Ugit.
Uk means uk covers u, r, l.
Mm.
Uk, any of them. U stands for u, r, l.
Mm.
If any of this letter is it letter in the dhatu, then the dhatu is
Ugit. Ugit.
ugit. Apply just on ugit dhatu. Ugit dhatu is important.
Mm.
Later we will see in this class. Other class I taught.
Mm.
Remember Magita, Shatranta. All are
Numagama.
all are ugit. Yeah, that Shatranta ugit dhatus.
Mm.
The ugitanta pradipadikam, not dhatus, of course. They'll get
Mm.
num when sarvanamasana pratyaya follows. Ugit is important. We'll see that later anyway. So now this is idit dhatu. So the rule is idit dhatus will get num agama. First, you have to prepare the dhatu. Like when you buy vegetables, first you wash the vegetables, right? And then only use for cooking. Similarly, dhatu just like that, you cannot take it and use it. Ra dhatus. Upadeshika dhatus are just ra dhatus. So you have to first clean it. So because it comes with packing you have to remove. So idit is a pack, ikara is a packing. So idit, if it is idit, there's a property, there's a rule attached to it. That the dhatu will get num agama. Idit dhatus, that is a separate rule. Idit dhatu will get num. Num means num agama, right?
Mm.
Now, where the num will come, content is cup. Num being a mitagama comes after the last here. Takara plus a is there. So here the num will come. Understand?
Mm.
So takara plus akara, then we have num. Num coming after a. Understand?
Mm.
Then pakara. What is the content of num? Num
Nakara.
also, makara is it letter. So, see, it letter, it has a meaning. It comes after the last h. I mean, that's right. And who is it? The content is only nakara. So therefore you have kan. Now you have apadanta, nakara followed by
Kan.
gel letter. It will become anuswara. After that, what will happen? That is other rule, not here, not connected to this. Here only, up to here only, we have our rule.
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna, because of kamp it will become. That is not required, not relevant here. I just moved.
Mm.
Parasavarna by the later rule, which comes later, right?
Mm.
So by that becomes kamp. Nakara will be, that is anuswara. See, if Apadanta Nakara become Anuswara, Anuswara will be replaced by Parasavarna, which is Nakara. Therefore, come to get. So you see, Kapi becomes come, right? Kapi finally becomes come. Understand? Similarly, we have a dhatu, nidhi dhatu, idit dhatus will become
Nidam.
not nidam. But this is dhatu having mudra nakara in the beginning will be replaced by dante nakara, we know, right? This is aupadeshika dhatu, beginning with murdanya nakara. Murdanya will be replaced by dante nakara sadul. In the dhatu pata, I think I taught you this. You have seen this before. Upadeshika dhatu, beginning with murdanya shakara or murdanya nakara, will be replaced by sakara, nakara, respectively. And this being idit dhatu, num will come here, nind. After that, what will happen? Nind will become nind. After that, parasavarna, again nind. It happens like that. You follow?
Yes, correct.
In this case, makara comes parasavarna, whereas in this case, it is takara alone. Okay. Then Shutva Sandhi and rest of this we are seeing. So you can go through this two rules, whatever I taught you today. Remember, Anuswara Sandhi number 1, Anuswara Sandhi number 2, and this is Anuswara Sandhi number 2. Yes. Any other? Anunasika Sandhi, I think we did, right? Padantayar. And Jasya Sandhi number 2. We know that also we did. Yes or no?
Yes, correct.
Jasya Sandhi number 2, we know we're much familiar. Done a lot of examples. We will do it also later. Chatta Sandhi 1 and Chatta Sandhi 2 also. Then Parasavana Sandhi, which is Anuswara, will be replaced by Parasavana A letter 1. And if it is at the end of the Padam, we have optional. That also we know. Then Lapta Sandhi also we saw. Tavarga followed by Lakara. Then Tavarga will be replaced by corresponding. The Tavai corresponding, if it is Nakara, will be Arunasika component of Lakara. Then Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Yes, we have seen.
This also we have seen, yes. Padanta Kara followed by Jai. Then Jai will be replaced by the Akara, sorry. Nakara is preceded by Jai. Then Hakara will be replaced by fourth letter of that Purva letter. Chatta Sandhi. Huh?
We've seen it.
Yeah, we have seen. Yeah, Chatta Sandhi we have seen. Yes, it is in the list. What is a Chatta Sandhi? Padanta Jai when followed by Shakara. Shakara in turn followed by both conditions are important. Right? That is Jai, Shakara, and Here, interesting thing is the sutra, if you see, says at, but when Vartikara says it is not at, you have to extend the pratyahara to What is at and At restricts to higher at, right? Whereas includes all the fifth letter of the class also. So even though it is ati, shashchoti, but we have to consider it as shashchomi. So that shakara will be replaced by shakara. Jarur. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, today we don't have much time. Vibhakti, I think we'll continue the Vibhakti the next class. Maybe 5 minutes we can do some simple translation. No reading, nothing is there, only moving around. Oh boy. How do you translate? I gave this as homework in that long back. What
Pathanam
is that?
nasti, na asti, nasti, pathanam nasti,
Hmm.
kimapi nasti.
Patanam, reading. Reading is patanam.
Hmm.
Okay. Then nothing is that. Kimapi nasti.
Hmm.
Only
Moving on.
Pramati eva ebala. Simple. What is difficulty is that?
Hmm.
Ebala. Patanam nasti. Nothing is that. Kimapi na karoshi. Kimapi nasti. Kevalam brahmasi. Kevalam tvam brahmasi.
Hmm.
Right? Patanam. Patanam is of the dhatu.
Hmm.
But
Pat dhatu. See.
Not. Hmm.
They're all Patanam, is it a noun or a verb? I'm sorry, reading is a noun or a verb in English
Noun.
also. Noun. Reading is a good habit. Reading is not a verb, that noun. Similarly, we have in Saṃskṛtam, pat plus. There's one pratyaya called lyut pratyaya. Content is you. Okay. Pat plus you. And you also will be replaced by ana. It's all very simple one. It's not no difficulty. Right? Pat plus ana. What pratyaya is this? Lyut pratyaya. Comes after the dhatu. What pratyaya? Quickly, come on. You have to answer immediately.
Ardha.
Yeah. You have to say Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. What choice you have? Can it be any other dhat, any other pratyaya? Whatever may be. Whatever may be the pratyaya. Either it should be Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. That's general classification. After that only, in a further classification, what is that? What pratyaya is this further? Krit pratyaya. We have Krit. This is called Krit. We will see later, okay.
Hmm.
Now you say at least Adhadhatuka pratyaya, I'm happy, okay. You should say Adhadhatuka. You know what Sarvadhatukam, Adhadhatuka.
Yes.
Content is you, and you will be replaced by ana as a rule. That pat plus ana, patana.
Okay.
So you have pat plus ana, patana. Similarly, kad plus ana,
Kadana.
kadana. So like you can add to any dhatu. Drish plus ana,
Darshana.
darshana it is, not drishna.
Hmm.
Drish plus ana. What will happen to drish when followed by ana, which is sarvadat ardhatuka pratyaya? Upada is
Ru.
r.
Rasvaram.
Rasvaik upada will take
Hmm.
Guna, darsha, darshana, darshanam, shad darshanam. We say, right? Charvaka darshanam, uttara mimamsa darshanam, darshanam. Understand? Darshanam just means seeing also.
Hmm.
Okay. Similarly, shru dhatu will become shru.
Shru.
Shru plus lyut.
Plus.
What will happen?
Shron.
Shravan.
Shravanam, very good. Shru will become shro because iganta, guna will happen, ayadi sandhi will happen. Then shav plus ana, shravana, right?
Hmm.
After that, what will happen? Repa is nakara, yes, nattum will happen. Because here repa is there and nakara not at the end of the padam, intervened by permissible letters. Therefore, it will become shavana, shavanam, shavanam, nidhyasana. Understand?
Hmm.
That is what is here. Patanam. Okay.
Yeah.
Then there is a forest. Please translate.
Ekam vanam asti.
Vanamasti itself will do.
Vanam.
You don't have to say ekam.
Hmm.
Right? There is a forest. Vanamasti. Then a lion is living there. There.
Tatra
Vasati.
Tatra
Simha.
Simha
Vasati.
Vasati. tishtati, whatever it is. Ekaha simha.
Nivasati, can you write, Guruji?
Why not?
Okay.
All same meaning. He is cruel.
Saha
Subjective
kruram.
complement.
Saha
Remember
bahu
subjective
sayam.
complement. Pratama vibhakti is a
Yes.
vibhakti.
Mhm.
Saha.
Ati
Bahu
krura
nirdayam
asti.
asti.
Saha kruraha asti. Ati kruraha dushtaha. Whatever it is. Bahu dushtaha. Kruraha also good one you can say. Bahu kruraha. Ati kruraha. You can say. Ati kruraha. Very cruel. He eats animal daily. Eats
Grasate.
Pratah
grasate.
Pashum
Grasati. Not grasate is a grasdatu atmanipadi. Kadati.
Khadati.
Bakshayati. Grasate. Whatever it is. Kaha. Saha. Singaha.
Saha.
What?
Saha
What is the object?
pratah. Pashum.
Mamsam.
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 Animal, mrigam, pashum, whatever it is, mamsam.
Pashum
Prataha, only in the
pratidim.
morning. We will not have breakfast and lunch also. Only breakfast only, right? Morning, immediately in the early morning, it will have prataha. Why? Sayankalena kadativa.
Pratidinam.
Pratidinam, not prataha.
Pratidinam. Pratidinam.
Why prataha?
No,
Prataha, it
pratidinam.
will do Surya Namaskara.
Yes.
So, pratidinam, this. Okay. Daily. Avyaya. Pratidinam pashun kadati. Once a fox comes there. I'm deliberately all are in simple, present tense.
Ekada.
If you know other tense, you can do it.
Guruji, we can write Saham Pashum Pratidin Khadati.
Pratidinam pashun kadati. That's what I written also.
No,
Anyway, you can write
Saha
it. Same.
Pashum Pratidin Khadati.
Pratidinam kadati, not pratidin. That's what it's written, right? What do you see in the
First,
screen?
yeah, first I have written Saha Pashum
2-1.
Pratidinam Khadati. That is the correct sentence.
Anyway, you can write it, the meaning will not change, right?
Okay. Yeah.
How the meaning will change? Will change.
No.
All basic things.
No.
In Saṃskṛtam, it's
It
not
will
like
not.
that. If you swap the words, the meaning will not change.
Hmm.
The prepositions are attached to the verbs. That's the first thing we learned, right? Anyway,
Yes.
you put the words, will the meaning change?
No.
No. Once a fox comes there, okay, we'll stop here. Another class is there. Then fox coming, we'll see in the next class. So please go through the sandhi, whatever I taught, those sandhis.
Yes, good.
Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद